The bottom trim strip of this Andersen window, this was painted with some type of adhesive like contact cement, and then it was wrapped with a piece of plastic. It was vacuum formed or in some way made to conform to all these different angles. And then this piece wrapped around, the window closed against it. Now this window faces the sun. This got hot and it released that adhesive, and this unfurled and was sticking up here like a flag. So I just peeled that off of there. I took the handle off and removed this plastic trim. This is held in place by a single wire brad here and one here. So I need to go outside with a very stiff putty knife or something and work underneath this edge and try to get those two wire brads to release. With the window open, I was able to get a putty knife and work it into this edge just a little bit, and it opened up enough to where I could get the tip of this screwdriver from the outside. And I put a piece of wood under that to protect the window frame itself, and then gently lifted up on that until that came out. And then do the same thing on the other side until it comes up enough to where it will now clear this operator handle. The wood is so soft that the nails pulled through the trim strip. That's okay, that's easy to get out. And then we had caulked the sill under that trim strip, and I just came along with a double-edged razor and very gently peeled off the rest of that caulking and cleaned that up. In my case, I've got to be real careful not to scratch this marble. The new trim strip, the replacement, will go on the same way. It'll be held in place by two wire brads, and use a finishing punch and countersink that a little bit, put a little putty over it. It'll be just like it was. That trim strip is just for show. It does not have a structural function for this window. In the corner of your window on the inside glass, it will be etched. Here it says Andersen, and there will be some numbers down the side and across the bottom. And it's those numbers that will define this window to the manufacturer. And you'll need those numbers in order to get a replacement trim strip that fits correctly. Unfortunately, the replacement trim strip is also wrapped with a plastic, but they have some sort of a primer sprayed on here first. Hopefully this is made better than the original. But this just drops right in there. Perfect fit. Fits in there perfect. And on the other side.